Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So you click a filter and the loading bar moves very slowly. It feels like you are waiting for an old DLL modem to finish connecting or connection generally. So slow processing is almost always a network issue because FaceApp uses powerful cloud-based AI to apply filters. Your photo actually has to travel through their servers, get processed, and travel back to your phone. So if your Wi-Fi is lagging, the editing lags, here's how to speed things up. Or basically how to fix the slow processing in FaceApp. First, you have to check your internet connection. Do a quick speed test. FaceApp works best on fast, low latency connections. If your ping is high or your upload speed is slow, try switching from Wi-Fi to data, or it depends on your situation. Close the background apps then. If your phone's processor is overwhelmed, it cannot process the data coming back from the server quickly. Swipe away any apps running in the background, especially video apps like YouTube or even TikTok. Then use a VPN for server overload. This is a unique tip. Sometimes FaceApp servers in your specific region are overloaded with users. Connecting to a VPN and choosing a different country, like the USA for example, can route you to less crowded servers, significantly speeding up processing. Also choose the smaller photos. High resolution photos like 4K images are large files. The bigger the file, the longer the upload and download time. So that's the idea. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.